The monthly income of Manisha was 1,20,000 and her monthly expenditure was 55,000. Next year her income increased by 22% and her expenditure increases by 10%. Find the percentage increase in her savings. Okay, initially her income was 1,20,000. Okay, we don't need these zeros. Okay, and it is increased by 22%, that is 120 into 1.22, that is 146.4, and her expenditure was 55. If we multiply this with the 1.1, that is around 60.5. And what is her savings in the first year? 120 minus 55, that is 65, and 146 minus 146.4 minus 60.5 is her savings in the next year, that is around 85.9. We need to find the percentage increase in her savings, that is 85.9 minus 65 divided by, initially her savings was around 65, into 100. If we solve this, we will get 32.15 as the answer, that is option C.